Hi everyone, at this point, let's talk about your antidepressants. Of course, from the word itself, antidepressants, ibig sabihin ginagamit natin sila sa depression. Okay? So, they are those drugs that we utilize and we use in psychiatric and nursing to battle depression. Okay? So, here are the medications. So, we classify them into three. So, may tatlo pong classifications ng antidepressants. First, we have the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. We call them SSRIs. And here, example of your medication, we have the Prozac, Paxil, Zoloft. In the Philippines, since we are taking the Philippine Nurse Licensure examinations, it's okay no to put the brand names there because yan yung talagang lumalabas at yan yung nagmamarka in the Philippine Nurse Licensure examination. However, in the NCLEX, they will be asking you all of those generics, and dito mas nalilito yung mga estudyante no when they are utilizing the local licensure examination resources. So for your SSRIs, we have your Prozac, Paxil, and Zoloft as the most commonly used SSRI in the Philippines. Tricyclic antidepressants, we have Tofranil, Elavil, and Aventil. So tandaan natin yan. They're your TCAs or tricyclic antidepressants. And we have your monoamine oxidase inhibitors or MAOIs. Okay, they are your Parnate, Nardil, Marplan, o mas kilala sila bilang Panama. Okay, Parnate, Nardil, Marplan are your MAOIs or monoamine oxidase inhibitors. So, let's discuss one by one ng mabilisan lang, no? Your antidepressants. So first, let's have your selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Again, they are your Prozac, Paxil, and Zoloft, the commonly used in the Philippines. Of course, they're used for your depression. That's why they're here. They're antidepressants. They're used in your depression. Okay? It acts by preventing reuptake of serotonin, increasing the availability of serotonin in the body. So, that's why nasa pangalan niya, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. So, pinipigilan niya ang reuptake ng serotonin para tumaas ang availability nito sa katawan ng tao. Okay, so nursing considerations that you need to think here is that you need to monitor the patient for your serotonin syndrome. Baka mas tumaas palalo yung level ng serotonin ng pasyente po natin, which might cause you this what we call as your serotonin syndrome. Okay, ano ba ang meron sa serotonin syndrome na ito? Number 1, hypertension, commonly asked, confusion, anxiety, tremors, and ataxia, and of course, sweating. At marami pang iba. But these are the common manifestations na makikita natin in your serotonin syndrome. Okay? Suicide precautions. Hala sir, bakit may suicide precautions? Diba, we are now giving your antidepressant. So, sa depression, nagkakaroon ng suicide. But dito, sir, binigyan na natin si pasyente ng SSRI. Bakit may suicide precaution? That's the question. So, the answer is, alam nyo, yung mga nagde-depression or depression as a mental illness or a problem natin sa mental health, all of those depressive patients natin, they according to studies, commonly, they commit suicide once they have already the energy to do so. Okay, so once we give our patient our SSRIs, that's the moment wherein they now get the energy that they need in order to consummate or to make the plan of having the suicide consummated or as planned. So, dyan na nila yan ginagawa. They commit suicide on this moment. So, again, suicide precaution, that's a very important nursing consideration in your SSRIs administration. So, safety, monitor the patient closely. Okay? So, another, again, is your tricyclic antidepressants. We call the TCAs. We have here your Tofranil, Elavil, Aventil. So, they are the common medications, TCAs, which is given in the country. Used for depression, that's why they're here in the list. And it acts by preventing reuptake of norepinephrine and serotonin, increasing these neurotransmitters in the body. So, tandaan natin yan. Okay? So, most common side effect, tandaan natin, mostly cardiac. So, tachycardia. Okay? Arrhythmia. And also, we have this what we call as your torsades de pointe. Okay? That's because of the prolonged QT interval. So, tandaan natin yan, yung torsades, because it's a commonly asked question also when it comes to your pharmacology in your antidepressants. Okay, again, for your major side effects or side effects na common nangyayari, it's cardiac in nature, tachycardia, arrhythmias, prolonged QT intervals. That's for your tricyclic antidepressants. Okay, for your monoamine oxidase inhibitors or your MAOIs, that's why we call it Panama because of Parnate, Nardil, and Marplan. They are the widely used, internationally, they are the widely used types of your monoamine oxidase inhibitors. I know that you will be seeing all of those generic names such as your isocarboxycid, but dahil sa Pilipinas, in the Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination, binibigay naman yung brand names, okay na yung Parnate, Nardil, Marplan or yung Panama. Okay, it's easy to to recall because of the Panama pathognomonic mnemonic po natin. Okay? So, this is used again for your depression. That's why they're here. Antidepressants. And it acts by blocking monoamine oxidase enzymes to increase the levels of all neurotransmitters. Norepinephrine, serotonin. All of those that we've mentioned earlier. Okay? So, ini-increase niya ang availability nito sa katawan ng mga neurotransmitters na to. Hence, okay na iwasan natin yung depression. It's, kung mapapansin niyo, it's purely chemical or substantial yung nangyayari dito sa ating pharmacology, especially dito sa ating antidepressants. For your nursing considerations, kapatid, avoid, eto, sikat na sikat to, avoid food rich in tyramine. Pero ang tanong, okay, what are those foods that are rich in tyramine? Alala ko when we had our review, tandaan po natin all of those fine things in life. Lahat daw ng nag-i-age ng mga pagkain or those mga na-ferment. Okay? Aged cheese, wine, okay? Pickled meats like your Wagyu beef, yung mga ganon. Okay? Yung nagfa-ferment and then yung mga aged na food. Okay? They are very, very rich in tyramine. Tyramine is an amino acid. And then, kapag ang tyramine po plus ang ating MAOIM as medications class ay nagkatagpo, that's hypertensive crisis. Okay? It causes you your hypertensive crisis. Okay? Again, you need to remember that your monoamine oxidase inhibitors, kapatid, is under pa rin yan. Marami kasing nalilito dito, no? Because when they say MAOI, ibig sabihin daw, or sometimes they call it under to sa antipsychotics. It's not under your antipsychotics. It's your antidepressants, your Parnate, Nardil, and also your Marplan. Okay? So, now, actually, may kanta tayo dito. Yan. So, meron tayong hinandang kanta dito. It's what we call as your SSRI song. And this will be very helpful for you para maalala po ninyo ng mabilisan po, no, ang ating antidepressants. You can actually write this down and start also memorizing this. I know that you're very good in memorizing. Na-memorize ka natin ang albums ni Taylor Swift, okay? How much more this one? Okay, so let's start singing this song by using the rhythm of your Guillaume. Yan, alam natin yan. Okay. Prozac, Paxil, Zoloft, SSRI, Tofranil, Elavil, Aventil, TCA mo, Parnate, Nardil, Marplan. Ito ang MAOI, iwas sa tyramine dahil may hypertension. Prozac, Paxil, Zoloft, SSRI, Tofranil, Elavil, Aventil, TCA mo, Parnate, Nardil, Marplan. Ito ang MAOI, iwas sa tyramine dahil may hypertension. Ganun na. Psychic energizers, effective. Pampasigla mo, effective. Psychic energizers, effective. Ayan. So, thank you so much for being with us for our antidepressants. And of course, antabayan pa ninyo ang ating mga more uploads. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po and have a good day.